Okay, I'm up here measuring a gutter job. And I got me a little helper coming in to clean out the gutters. Look at this guy. You know, if we get about 10 or 20 of these guys here, she can have these gutters clean in no time. He's reaching in there and grabbing the, looks like the maple leaves or something. And having a time at it. Yeah, I wonder where he'll go when I start walking off the roof. This is just too funny. Hey, what are you doing? What you got? Where the hell did you go? There you go. I got this zoomed in too close, that's why it's moving all over the place. There you go. Alright, little guy. You want to use my ladder, or you want me to use yours, or how'd you get up here? How'd you get up here? Huh? Yeah, how did you get up here? Let's see, you gonna jump? You gonna jump out to the tree? That's your plan? Oh yeah, look at you. Huh. You little son of a gun.